Months back, I had predicted 30,000 for Dow Jones and 11,000 for Nasdaq in few months. Now we are very much nearby to realizing my prediction. I hope you all have profited till now. Also, the drop yesterday was also as expected and as I had given in my trading levels. I hope you all profited there too. Now, what is going to happen today? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. And yes, I am Ankit and welcome you all to my channel again. Let's start the day with Nasdaq 100 here. See, Nasdaq 100 on the 2-hour charts is showing a reversal here. Now, this is the reversal candle at the end of this channel. Also, look at this, the body size is diminishing, and from here, lower lows are seen. Still, it is trying to reverse, and we can see second green candle. Probably we may be looking at 12150 level soon, and once it breaks 12150, you can expect it to rise a bit towards 12300 levels possibly. If not, then lower high still towards 12250 can be expected, and from there it can try to drop. But right now, with the support at 11950, it is trying to rise. We can expect 12150, 12300 levels, rather 12250 levels on Nasdaq 100 soon. Look at the MACD. MACD stochastic is looking upwards, trading bullish. MACD trying to converge and cross over for a buy side. RSI also trying to slope upwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts here, you'll find that lower lows are being seen, and then bulls have tried to take it. Now this 3-hour candle is going to be important. If it trades about 12080, here you can go long. One can expect that this time it is going to give you sharper green candle, taking it towards 12180, 12250 zone. 12300 can be expected, in fact, and in fact beyond that 12400 is the next target if it continues to trade bullish. 3-hour stochastic is also oversold. It is trying to bounce back. MACD is trying to, it is still bearish, trying to converge, running parallel. I will be watchful. And RSI near to bottom there, but trying to look upwards, slope upwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, so similar is the observation. Trading double bottom, created double bottom, rather lower lows have been done. I'll be watchful of the next candle. Probably next candle will definitely try to take it towards 12200, and yes, beyond 12200 one can also expect 12300 and 12400 levels. This zone at 12300 is the greater resistance, so I'll be cautious there. It can try to drop from there towards the cash session, but I'll be watchful. Right now it appears that we may see it at least rising till towards 12200 300 zone. MACD stochastic oversold here, divergent, indicating little bearishness. MACD is still trading in sell. There is only two candles which it has seen, and probably a convergence and crossover will bring it to buy zone again on the 4-hour charts. RSI is sloping upwards, indicating little bullishness here. And if you look at the daily charts, see daily charts, you will find that there is a stronger resistance on the daily charts at 13,000, but it has to go till there. But yes, there is a possibility that it can go till towards this zone at 13,000 levels. It is trading in this channel. It is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Only short entry is below 12950. Below that, you can expect that why it can give you a red candle today again. See, look at the previous two candles. Almost double top has been given, and it is first red candle after this greenish. This is completely engulfed the previous candle. Now possibly achieving 12200. If you see it dropping and again it is trying to come back downwards, you can expect that it is going to give you second successive red candles, which will try to take it towards 11700 towards the cash session, US cash session. So first, in throughout this day, we may see a little rise on US 100, where you can expect 12200 levels, and beyond that 12250 300 zone can be expected. And towards the US cash session, if you see it reversing again on the downside, one can expect a sharper fall. For now, you can remain long on US 100 till the time it is above 11950, and one can expect 12150 12200, and yes, 12300 12400 can be expected. From there, I'll be looking forward to a drop towards the US cash session, so one can trade accordingly. Now look at the daily stochastic. This is oversold, and it is come back to a buy side with a still a little rise yesterday. I'll say not little rise yesterday, but today that is why we can see a little uh, minor slope of upwards where it is showing a little reversal. But it is still in oversold and it can sustain the oversold levels. And if you look at the MACD, it is divergent and it is still on sell. RSI is still on oversold side here, so I'll be cautious. Only short entry is below 12 11,950. Below that one can expect 11,800, 11,700. In fact, it can show you sharper red candles also. And rather, if you see it going till towards 12,300 levels, see it may try to hit 12,200. That appears probable, but a drop can be seen because of these previous candles, and there you can take a short entry at 12,200, 300. That is also a good strategy to make profit today. We can enjoy both sides. Right now it appears bullish. You can stay long for 12,150, 12,200, and yes, from there you can try to take a short entry also, but stay cautious. I will rather recommend do not trade between 11,950 to 12,080 levels. I will not recommend you to take a position between 12,080 to 11,950 levels. In between these 130 levels, you should not trade. Beyond 12,080, you can take a long entry, target 12,150, 12,200, and then 12,300 levels. In fact, 12,400 cannot be denied. These are markets, anything is possible. Below 11,950, sky is the limit. 11,800, 11,700 will be seen there today itself. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. US32 on the 2 hour charts with the support at 31,800. I told yesterday 31,800 should provide a very strong support. It is trying to show you a reversal here. With this as support, probably now it might try to hit 32,100 and 32,200 zone, and from there again we'll see how it behaves there, and it can try to drop again. The 2 hour stochastic looking upwards from here, it is oversold. The MACD is still on sell. Only 4 candles have been seen on the sell side, and it is still trading bearish, however running flat there on the after the crossover. RSI is also running flat there. It is not inclining towards bullish or bearish signal. If you look at the 3 hour charts, higher highs have been seen, and if you see here closely, higher highs have been seen and lower lows have been seen. The pivot is at around 31,850 levels. So yes, till the time it trades above 31,850, you can expect 32,050 and 32,100 levels. Beyond that, 32,200 can also be seen here in on US30. And if you look at the stochastic there, it is oversold. It is trying to look upwards. It is trying to bounce back. MACD just 3 candles have seen, and this is trading bearish, however running flat and running parallel. It can cross over. RSI running very much flat there. Look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour chart, it is trying to give you lower highs, lower lows. Hence, only once it is beyond 32,040, here you can go long for 32,100, and then beyond that 32,100, one can again expect it to rise till towards 32,300 and 400 zone. On stochastic, 4 hour stochastic oversold, however lot much of gap for it to cover, and hence more bearishness can be seen. 4 hour stochastic and MACD. 4 hour MACD is also just now has crossed over on the sell side. This is again a second red candle here, and hence I'll be watchful. A repeated crossover has to be there. RSI near to oversold zone, and if you look at the daily charts, you will find on the daily charts the candle is taking shape, and it is bearish till the time it remains below 32,400, 32,500 zone. It can try to achieve this before it tries to look back on the downside. Also look at this, it is trying to trade in this channel also, and it is also trying to trade with the bottoms of the Bollinger Bands, which is right now at around 31,600 level. So if you see it trading below 31,800, go short for 31,600. This time it is, see also the body size is increasing. Probably we may see a sharper fall, which will try to take it towards 31,500 also. So yes, a larger zone, the VIX is increasing, and hence for now it appears that it might try to hit 32,100, and beyond 32,100 the target is 32,200, 300 and 400. And yes, from there it can try to reverse again from 32,400, 450 zone. It can try to reverse again, and it can try to go back till towards 31,600, 500 levels, leaving a stronger wick out there. It can try to drop. However, every day is not a Monday, and yes, if you look at it, may not try to, because this is oversold here on the daily charts too. It is wide and bullish, bearish here on the MACD, may try to start converging from here if there is still little bullishness. RSI is near to oversold zones. So yes, till the time it trades about 31,800, one can expect that it may try to still give you a little rise, which will try to take it towards 32,100, 32,200, 300. 400 levels can be seen every 100 point. There is a little resistance. On the downside, breaking 31,800, it will directly lend to 31,600 levels. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel. You can be also part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon. Book your seats now. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can join my VIP signals group. Trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can profit. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.